Good evening, Sir Opinya, and I am RBJ Barajas, and this is our game. So, my partner here in our game is Mark Darius Borang. Then, that's our script for our game. So, then let's proceed to the 2D game. So, that's our 2D game, and our title of our game is Coin Bob Puzzle. Then let's run it. So in this game there are 25 bomb. So if you click the wrong coin and the bomb are gonna appear. And that's it. Then if you click the 25 wrong coin, then the game is are gonna over. The game is over. Then the game is over if you click the 25 wrong coin. So then you can clear this level if you can find the correct coin. So if you click the correct coin, and this level is gonna be clear, and that's our game. So thank you, sir, and good day. This is our game video presentation.